Good morning, children. Today, let's continue with our part B, question number 18 to 22. And very good, children, you all are doing your homework and sending it. And other children who are watching the videos, please do send the homework on the phone numbers given. Two phone numbers are given. You can send on any phone number, children. But do your homework regularly, children. Come on, let's continue. Question number 18 to 22. What is it, children? Already you all know in part B, question number 18 to 22 is read the passage, identify the errors given and rewrite the sentences. So it is called as editing of the passage. You have to read the passage. In that some errors are there. Errors means mistakes, grammatical mistakes you find there. So you have to identify them and rewrite the sentence, correcting it and underline the corrected word. Okay, whatever word you have corrected, write the full sentence, and whatever word you have corrected, you underline it, children. Now let us see now. As a young cartoonist, Walt Disney faced many rejections from newspaper editors who said he had no talent. One day, a minister at a church hired him to draw some cartoons. Disney was worked out of a small mouse-infested shed near the church. After seeing Small Mouse, he was inspired. That is the start of Mickey Mouse. Success people don't do great things, they only do small things in a great way. Okay, children, this passage you have to note it down in your classwork. And then you have to write down the answers, children. Let us see the answers. Yes, see, children, see the answers. In first sentence, one day a minister at a church, hire is given. Yes, you can check it out here. Hire is given, you see. One day a minister at a church, hire is given. So what have we done? We have changed it to hired him to draw some cartoons. Then Disney was working out of a. So here what is given? Work. What is given? Work. Disney was work is given. So what have we done? We have done working. Disney was working out of a small infested shed near the church. Now in third one you can find two mistakes, children. See here in 20. After seeing small mouse, he was inspired. So what have we written? After seeing a small mouse, he was inspired. Right? Then after that, see 21st one. That is the start of Mickey Mouse. So when you are seeing it, children, it is looking correct. But our paragraph is in past tense. So here is present tense. When we are following past tense, a particular sequence should be followed in writing a paragraph, children. Sometimes you should not use present tense, sometimes you should not use past tense. Always you have to use same form of tense, children. Okay, so that was, you can see, that was the start of Mickey Mouse. Then next, success people. So success is wrong. Successful people don't do great things. Is it clear, children? You have to write it down in your notes, children. Right? Now see, one more, children, one more we'll do from our Nick lesson. She can only see my head, so I decided to do a 360-degree spin in the car to freak her out. So, one more sentence, you see. Her face was like, whoa, what's going on? So, here in the first sentence, you see, they have given she can. But second sentence, you see, was, sped. So it is in past tense. So that should be she could. It should be she could. Her face was like woo. So how it will be? Her face was like woo. That was you have to remove. Right? She sped off really quick. Is it quick, children? No, it will be quickly. She sped off really quickly. Nick began travel the world. This answer you can write in two ways, children. Nick began traveling the world, you can write. Most appropriate given in your textbook. Or if you get in your mind, Nick began to travel the world. You can also write to travel the world. Then in 2008, he met surfing master Bethany Hamilton, which had her arm bitten off by a shark when she was 12. So, already we know what are relative pronouns. So, for relative pronouns, when you are talking about a person, should you use which, children? No, you have to use who. Very good. Now, see the answers. She could only see my head. We have returned. Her face was like, whoa, was this removed? She sped off really quickly. Ly is added. Nick began traveling the world. He met Bethany Hamilton, who had her arm bitten off by shark. So who you have written, children? Clear? Now see the homework. You have to do the homework, children. You can see full question we have given in homework part. Read the passage given below. The sentences in the passage are numbered from 13 to 17 at the beginning. Each of the sentences has an error. Correct them and rewrite the sentences in the answer book. His parents decided not to send him to specialist school. A decision he said was very hard for him, but which may had been the best decision they could have made for him. When Nick was born, his father was very shocked that he left the hospital room to vomit. His distraught mother couldn't brought herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. His disability came without any medical explanation, a rare occurrence called phocomelia, and Nick and his parents spent many years asking why this cruel trick would happen to them. My mother was a nurse and she did everything right during pregnancy, but she still blamed herself. Here, children, you can see some number differences there. What you do, you write correct numbers. It should be 18 to 22, children. Part B, 18 to 22. Do not get confused. Write 18 to 22. Right, children? Okay, what you do, children, is only write down answers, underline what you have corrected and send that photo. Okay, now see one more. Anna, I have passed the exam. Well done, my boy. I want to join in IIT. His father stopped reading the newspaper. He lifted his head, looked at the boy and said with heavy voice, my son, you are a bright boy. You know our finance position. I have 5 daughters to be married off and 3 sons to educate. I am a salary person. I cannot afford your expenses at IIT. You can stay in Mysore and study as much as you want. Okay, children, these 2 passages you are going to do homework and you are going to send me the photograph. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care.